So all my trucks have made it into a video except this one, so I figured I'd make a short video about it. It's not done yet because with everything going on, I'm having trouble getting the shocks I need. I've had them on back order forever. They show that they shipped like 6 weeks ago. But anyway, it's a MN99s. I've converted it to where it's basically a WPL truck. It can run 2S or 3S. I'm currently running it on a 2S 1500 milliamp battery. Under the hood, if I can get it open. But I've also built a jumper wire here that I can take that battery out and plug it in. It goes to an XT60 down in here. And I can put a 3S 3000 milliamp battery right there in behind the seat. So I don't think I need 3S back here today. Almost makes it too fast. The MN model's frame is really thick, so I was able, rather than to put a riser in, just to come up here and drill new holes. Allowed me to mount the WPL 2-speed and 370 motor up higher, give me more ground clearance. And I've added the metal drive shafts. Of course, these factory springs are junk. Suspension is horrible, but like I said, I've got shocks coming for it. This truck comes with metal ring and pinion, but I had a problem with it slipping, so I had to go in and epoxy that to the drive shaft. It still has plastic outers. These are actually the same wheels and tires I had on my WPL B24. Like I said, it's got the WPL wheel weights in there. Also added the WPL winch. I think it looks pretty good on this truck. It works pretty good too. Just went in and fabricated some plastic mounts, bolted it right to the bumper, reinforced that. It's able to lift this truck off the ground and suspend it, so I'm sure it's plenty strong enough for anything I'm gonna need to do with it, even though it's mounted plastic mounts to the frame. It's got the WPL version 2 gas sound. It's not really loud, but it's loud enough for this little truck. Got the speaker mounted. I don't know if you can see or not. Right there, red. It's mounted where the old non-proportional steering control would have been. Plastic servo skipping a gear. I'm gonna have to replace it with a better servo. Everything I've got was too big to fit in there. give myself an anchor point. Let's try this. Can't just... Well... Anchor point wasn't very strong, was it? Trying to simplify this while I was filming and didn't work out too well. Don't really have a good anchor point where I'm at. Let's try this. That worked. First time I've used it out in the field. It'd be much easier if I wasn't one-handed at the moment. Pretty good little winch for the cost though. Pretty strong. I like the way it looks too. Almost looks like it belongs on that truck. It's the one that's designed for the WPL. I believe it's the what is it? 45. Gotta get that servo replaced. That's annoying. Still steers good, but it just annoys me that it acts like a non-proportional. Now this truck, the MN99s, came with headlights, running lights, tail lights, backup lights, turn signals, all that, but it's on little boards, and I haven't taken the time to convert it over to where it'll work on this system yet, so I've just got headlights and tail lights. Of course, there's so much daylight you can't see them right now, but pretty fun little crawler. Once I get the rest of the bugs worked out, get some good suspension on it, it'll be much better. But the WPL 2-speed 370 motor and the WPL sound system and the all-in-one board ESC along with that winch makes it a much funner little truck than it was factory. Much more powerful. Anyway, just wanted to show this truck off a little bit. Have a great day.